How to save TikTok live photo in gallery. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the TikTok application on your phone. As you get there, open the TikTok video you want to save. Now, tap on the share button at the bottom. This will open a share sheet which provides a menu of options for sharing. Over here, scroll to the live photo from the bottom row. It will take some time to load the video. Once it's loaded, the video will be saved to your gallery as a live photo. After that, exit TikTok and go to the gallery to view the live photo. Now, this live photo can be set as a dynamic wallpaper by pressing and holding it on your phone's lock or home screen. Following these steps, you can easily save a TikTok live photo in your gallery. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.